Hi guys, this is ADO. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got another presentation for you, and this is going to be a presentation on how to test the CBB65 capacitor in the frequency converter. Once again, we should note that this is a part of series. You're going to want to check out the first video that we published that covers how to make preparation for the maintenance of a frequency converter if you haven't done so. For your information, we're going to have a quick review of these steps. First up, power off the converter and let it discharge for above 30 minutes. Make sure that the voltage of the DC capacitor measures less than 5 volts DC. Finally, disconnect the bridge rectifier and wrap up the heads of wires in electrical tapes. Then, let's move on to the major part. Remove the terminals of either of the two electrodes of the capacitor using a screwdriver or other possible tools. Put the multimeter into capacitance range. Detect the capacitance between these two electrodes using the probes. The normal measurement result should be above 20 microfarads. Plug the terminals back into the capacitor. Next, we're going to test a separate capacitor. This is a capacitor rated at 80 microfarads. The capacitance between the two electrodes is 81 microfarads as displayed on the multimeter, which is close to 80 microfarads. That means it is a normal AC capacitor. That concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out and do your shopping from there. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. We've got more frequency converter content coming up, so we hope that you'll stay tuned and get subscribed. See you until next time.